Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn what is meant by layer in AutoCAD and how to add layers in AutoCAD. So this is a very important topic and this is used normally in every drawing, the layers. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start the topic of layer. So if I explain in simple terms the layer, so layer is basically a transparent paper and you can see your drawing on fifth page or in sixth page or in any page when you are in on the first page. Means the layer is like a transparent paper or page. And so now you understood that what is meant by layer. So now we will proceed that how to add layers in AutoCAD. So in the main window of AutoCAD, in the home tab, the tools associated with layers category are lies. So in the home tab, this is the tools associated with the layer category. So from here, if you click on this drop down menu, so there is only one layer and this layer is generated by default when you open your AutoCAD for the first time. And when you open a new drawing, so this layer will appear automatically. So now how to add the layers, and now we will add the layers and we'll play with the layers by understanding the different tools associated with the layer. So in the layer category of tools, when you click on the layer properties, so a new window will open and here there are different options available. So here in when the cursor or the mouse you bring to this tool, so it gives the information and it is uh, highlighted that you can add a new layer. So when you click on this, a layer will be added automatically and now it is active to specify a name to this layer. So now we want to add to name this layer as the foundation and we will change it the different tools that are associated with the layer. So we can also change one of the option is the color. So when we click on the color, so there are a lot of colors and you can make your desired color by mixing these colors. So we assign a red color to the foundation and then we will click on OK. So this is a layer generated and we name it as the foundation, and if we want to add another, so we will click here and then we can assign any name to the layers. So we want to give them a name as the column, and to assign a color, so we'll click on the color. So we want to assign a pink color to the columns and then click on OK. So a pink color has been assigned to the layer of column. If we want to add another, so we will click on this options and a layer will be generated. We want to name it as the plinth beam. And we want to assign them a color as this is blue color. So we will click on OK. So blue color has been assigned to a layer which we name as the plane beam. And now if we want to add another layer, so we will click from here and we'll name is, you can give any name to the layer as per your desire. So we will name it as walls. So this is, and we want to assign them a color is white. So white color has been now assigned to the layer that we have added just now, the wall. So we can add another layer and name is the lintel beam, and we can change the color from this color. Sign color has been assigned to this, and we can add another layer. We can name is the slab, and we can assign them a different color. It is, we want to assign them a green color, and we can add another layer and we want to name it the doors, and we can change the color to this yellow, and we can add unknown number of layers in the layer category. So we will name it as the window, and we can assign a different color to them as the gray type color. So and then okay. So till now we have added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 number of layers that we have added till now, and on this icon or symbol is means that currently this layer is active, and you can make any layer to be active by clicking on the layer. So now the column layer is active. So then you can close from here the layer window, and now you can check the layers that you have added by clicking on this drop down button. Before adding of the layers there was only one layer. Now you can check that there are different layers that we have added just now, and the column layer is now active. You can change to the beam. So now you can, this is a beam, plane beam layer is active, and these are the different tools that are associated with the layers. So here the first one is this, like in a bulb form. So from here you can turn a layer on or off. So you will learn this tool by with the help of example. So I want to draw a circle, and we want to draw another circle, and so now we want to add another circle with the same center, and then we want to add another circle. So these three circles, now I want to close the grid, so with click you can clearly see. So now these are the three circles which has been drafted in the plane beam category. So we can change the layer for this from the plane beam to the layer of column. So now you can see the layer has been changed. Once the layer has been changed, the color of the circle has been changed to the color of the beam layer. Now you will understand that how this layer turn on and turn off option works. So now it is active, and now we are in the column layer. So now I want to change the color of the center circle, the layer for the center circle, from the column layer to the slab layer. As you can see, the color has been changed, and now I want to change the color of this. So now to active the line width, so you can clearly see now. Now I want to this inner circle in the column layer, I want to close the layer of the column, so these two circles, the inner and the outer circle, will be disappear. So you can see I'm not selecting and only click on the turn off layer. You can see that those two circles, which were the inner and the outer, has been disappeared. Means the layer of the circles were turned off. As you can see here, this is now in turn off condition. So if you want to turn on, so we will click on this, so the circle will now appear, and you can see now. And this is the this sun type symbol for the layers in tools. This means that either you want to freeze or thaw in layers viewports. So you will learn this by with the help of example. So by turning off means to activate, to act means now it is active and we want to unactivate it, so means to freeze. So you will click on this and you can see the two layers which were in the column layers has been disappeared. Now you cannot delete those circles. If I select this region where the circle will rise and click on delete, so you can see the circles were not deleted, means it is now freezed. So the next option is the lock. Through this you can lock or unlock your desired layer. So now this column layer is unlocked and you can change and you can make any changes in the column layers. Now it is active, but if we lock this layer, so now it is locked. Now you cannot change or edit anything associated with the column layer. So now you can see now it is not selecting, and if we click on delete, so it is not deleting, neither selecting. So now it is locked. Once it is locked, you cannot change anything associated with that layer. And the third option is the color, so you can change. If we now we want to make it unlock, so we will click, now you can see, and it is now selecting. You can see if I click on this, so this is being selected, and if I click on this, so this also selected. Means to unlock, so now you can click, so this will selected, means the gray points is being appeared, and the next options available is the color, so you can change the color. Now we want to make it red, so and then click on OK. You can see the color has been changed on the column layer from pink to red. So this was all about that, how to add layers and the different tools associated with the layer. So till now, if you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video.